This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. Welcome to the Tern at East Beach, by award-winning builder EDC Homes. 96-unit townhome right across the street from the beach. No flood insurance required. Open floor plan, Hardie plank siding. Rear loading, 2-car garage, community park and so much more. This unit includes upgrade package, oak stairs, and composite decking. Near shopping, entertainment, and highways. $35,000 worth of upgrades. Best move-out day for seller is July 5, 2022. For more information, review the details below.